Hey guys, new Animal Company update, and it's just like OG Animal Company. Let's go. So first, you got snow. You got snowballs. Wait. Oh, okay. Second, you got lots of new stuff actually that I own, but don't have enough money. The Animal Company plushie. Then, no, that's been there. Oh, the reindeer's back. So, oh yeah, Santa stuff. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm back out. The winter fox. Oh, they expanded the map a lot. And then you have that over there, the sleigh. They're gonna be adding a new map soon. Oh, wait. They have this thing, loadout. I want to do a loadout. It's my first one. New pictures stuff and new fan art. The fan art's all the way over there and all that stuff. I think that's it. Bye.